Capturing your everyday adventures or creating captivating content for your followers requires the right tool in hand. From sharing makeup tutorials to behind-the-scenes vlogs, the best vlogging cameras can make all the difference. Whether you're a newbie stepping into the world of content creation or a seasoned pro looking to level up, we've got you covered. Join us as we explore the best vlogging cameras that can take your videos to the next level. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website consumerpicked.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. DJI Pocket 3, our pick for best budget vlogging camera. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 isn't just your run-of-the-mill compact camera. It's a game-changer in the vlogging world, a little powerhouse that blurs the line between quality and convenience. Say goodbye to shaky footage and grainy visuals. This bad boy upgrades you from smartphone-level content to pro-quality vlogs with its 4K 120p support. Slow-mo never looked so good. And let's not forget the buttery smooth shots, thanks to that trusty 3-axis gimbal. It's like having your own personal Steadicam right in your pocket, literally. With the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, you're not just stepping up your visual game, but your audio game too. The onboard mic holds its own, but if you're feeling fancy, you can hook up remote mics for that crystal clear sound. It's all about making your content shine without the hassle. And oh, did we mention the sensor upgrade? The 1-inch sensor means better low-light performance and more pixels for your buck. Plus, that nifty 2-inch rear LCD, it's a dream when you're switching between aspect ratios on the fly. Vertical, horizontal, don't sweat it. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 has your back. So if you're ready to take your vlogging adventures to the next level without lugging around a suitcase of gear, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is your new best friend. Trust us, your followers will thank you. Number 4. Sony ZV-1, our pick for best compact vlogging camera. Enter the Sony ZV-1, a pocket-sized powerhouse that's here to make your content creation dreams come true. This pint-sized wonder packs a punch with its hot shoe, mic port, and touchscreen that flips every which way like a seasoned gymnast. In our top-secret field testing, okay, we just took it out for a spin, but it sounds cooler that way, we were blown away by the ZV-1's real-time tracking, and IAF. Seriously, this thing can keep up with your every move without breaking a sweat, unlike some of us after a marathon of Netflix. But wait, there's more. The ZV-1 isn't just a pretty face. Although, let's be real, it's pretty darn sleek. With features like a built-in ND filter and S-Log2 profiles, it's got all the bells and whistles you need to up your vlogging game. Now, we've heard whispers about the ZV-1F and the ZV-1-2 trying to steal the crown, but let's be real, they just don't have what it takes. The original ZV-1 reigns supreme, and with Sony keeping it on the market, why bother shelling out more cash for bells and whistles you won't even use? Stick with the best. Stick with the ZV-1. Your vlogs will thank you later. Still searching for the perfect vlogging camera? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Sony a6700, our pick for best vlogging camera for low light. Hey there, photography enthusiasts. Are you ready to elevate your game? Say hello to the Sony a6700, your gateway to the perfect blend of image quality, stabilization, and affordability. This camera is your best buddy whether you're just starting out in the world of photography or a seasoned pro looking to up your game. Sure, the price tag might make you pause for a moment, but hey, quality comes at a cost, right? If you're serious about taking your content to the next level and turning heads with your visuals, the a6700 is your golden ticket. Picture this: super high quality video, crystal clear 4K at 60 frames per second, and the ability to tweak those colors to perfection with 10-bit log recording. Need slow-mo magic? No worries. The a6700 can do 4K at a mind-boggling 120 FPS for those epic slow-mo shots that'll leave your viewers speechless. And let's talk about stabilization. This bad boy comes equipped with internal optical stabilization to smooth out those shaky shots. With its larger-than-life APS-C sensor, The A6700 outshines your phone or action camera in every low-light scenario. Plus, the lightning-fast autofocus ensures your subjects are always in sharp focus, even if they're on the move. So, whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes or filming your next vlog adventure, the Sony A6700 is your ticket to photography paradise. Trust us, once you go A6700, there's no turning back. Number 2. Panasonic Lumix GH6, our pick for best premium vlogging camera. Say hello to the GH6, the new kid on the block that's here to steal the show. Sporting a whopping 25.2 megapixel sensor and the ability to capture mind-blowing 5.7K footage at 60 frames per second, this camera is a creative powerhouse in a compact package. But wait, there's more! With a plethora of formats, frame rates, and resolutions at your fingertips, the GH6 is like a Swiss Army knife of video capabilities. Plus, its fancy forced fan cooling system means you can record to your heart's content without breaking a sweat, literally. The GH6 maintains a sleek and portable design. Familiar controls? Check. Tally lights on the front and back? Double check. And let's not forget the 3-inch touchscreen that flips, twists, and tilts for all your selfie video needs. Connectivity? Absolutely. While the GH6 might not have live streaming tricks up its sleeve like the GH5 Mark II, it more than makes up for it with snappy autofocus and top-notch stabilization. Say goodbye to shaky footage, thanks to some fancy algorithmic magic that smooths out your walking shots like a pro. So, if you're in the market for a camera that's as versatile as it is reliable, the GH6 is your new best friend. Get ready to capture your vlogging adventures in stunning detail, with a dash of flair and a sprinkle of charm. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Sony ZV-E1, our pick for best vlogging camera overall. Alright, fellow content creators, gather round for a tale of the Sony ZV-E1, the vlogging powerhouse that's here to shake up your video game. Picture this, a sleek, compact beauty packed with features like a stereo vlogging mic and a screen that's as versatile as your content ideas. Plus, let's not forget the in-body image stabilization. Now, it's not just any sensor in there, it's a 12-megapixel full-frame sensor, so your low-light settings won't be the bane of your existence anymore. And speaking of settings, this bad boy can go up to 120 frames per second in 4K. But wait, there's more. This camera boasts autofocus wizardry that's the envy of other cameras out there. No more blurry mishaps, just crisp, sharp footage that'll make your followers' eyes pop. Now, here's the scoop. The Sony ZV-E1 is a premium player in the field, meaning it's a serious investment. If your vlogging dreams are still brewing in the pot, you might want to consider more budget-friendly comrades. Also, bear in mind that full-frame lenses hog a bit more room, so you might want to pack some extra space for those. In the realm of vlogging, this golden gadget reigns supreme for the solo operators who demand nothing but the best. Still intrigued? Keep scrolling for alternatives that won't break the bank but will still keep your vlogging game strong on the move. That's a wrap! We hope you had a blast going through our list of best vlogging cameras. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which vlogging camera you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen! Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.